So what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. This time it's going to be very huge. We got 4 things. You could probably see some on the table. But anyways, let's go with the first one. This is the Bluetooth speaker. You can see right there. And then we got a mouse for my new gaming computer that will be coming I think next month or something. I don't know. And then we got these headphones right here. They're actually skulls, as you can see. They're skulls. This is a gold one, and this is the silver one that has a hat on it. But anyways, let's first off go into this one. Alright. We're unboxing the gold ones first. Alright. Here it is right here. Damn, this is sexy. Alright, so here's the jack. This is the main thing that you guys want to see. Hold on. What the heck is this? Okay, it kind of curves in so it could go inside your ear, curved, and so it could stay there. But anyways, these are the skulls. You can see little lines on top of them. I think that's their veins on their head, like whenever they get angry or something. I don't know, but yeah. We got 2 of them. 2 of them. Alright. Now, this one is my favorite. It's the silver ones, but these kinds of skull heads, they have hats. So, hold on. Hold on. Yeah. Like I said before, they're still curved, so it could stay in your ear. So this is the one with the hats, and it's kind of blurry, so you can't see their face that good. But it looks amazing. The camera might not like get it clearly, but it looks amazing. So, we're gonna unbox the mouse now. Alright. Sorry if you hear any background noise. This camera does not know how to cancel the background noises and stuff. So, you're just gonna have to deal with it. Okay. Anyways. Let's see that. Okay, that goes there. Alright. Shit, how do you even open this thing? So here it is. This is the USB to connect to any computer. It says Windows and Mac. So anyways, these are the click, left, right, middle mouse thing, you know. I'm trying to speed up so I could, you know, get the main thing on, but yeah, this is the mouse. And last but not least, we have the best speaker. This is actually the best thing I've actually unboxed. I think. But yeah, I love electronics, so that's why I'm excited to unbox this thing. If this tape will just get off. There we go. Oh, God damn. There's another sided tape. Okay, let me see this. This might take an hour. Jesus. Really got some strong tape. Okay, there we go. And should just pop it open. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Other side. There we go. Alright, so we got that off. Okay, so I got this at the bottom. I'm guessing that's the charger because they said it was a 3. They said it was chargeable, so I didn't. Oh, it's dog. Jesus, I dropped something. Oh no. Right, because they said it was chargeable. So, anyways, this is the speaker itself. Has the volume rockers and the power button. I don't know what this is for. I guess for like to connect it to like your backpack or something. And this is, you know, this is probably where the charger goes in, and this is probably where you use your headphone jack. But anyways, this should be the charging thing. I don't want to rip off the tapes. Let me just. Okay. There we go. So we got this manual thing. Crazy manual. You know. This I think this is the USB charging thing, and this is to connect it to. Oh, that's why they have this. It's to connect it either to your backpack or something. So that's why they have this, and yeah. This is the aux input and output, because what if you wanted to play it like on your computer or something? Then yeah, that's how it could work. But anyways, we got this. And we got the speaker itself. Here's the logo. The big logo on the back. It feels so amazing. Anyways, guessing that's all for you guys. So please comment, like, subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time.